Today, I'm going to explain why professional traders stopped trading or investing with scalping. So, you don't have to scalp in trading. Why? Because there are a lot of traders that have bots in their beside their reality check. So, what we are going to see is an opportunity for our trading. So what we are looking now is we have monthly, weekly, after we have to trade in these areas, monthly, weekly, and daily. Otherwise, when we go to 1 minute, they are very tough traders, and their 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 trading plan have been supported with. I mean, they are supported with AI. So today I'm going to show you how we can trade with supply and demand. Last time we saw a video that talk about double top and double bottom, how we can find the right double bottom and double top. So today I'm going to show you how we can identify the right supply and demand. So if we can find out the right supply and demand, we can even trade or invest in the stock market or crypto or forex. So when we when I am looking in this chart, cat CHF. So I'm looking the supply. This is the supply. When we come to supply, there will be like this break, break, break. If you don't know about break of structure, you have to check my previous videos. So this is break of structure, this is break of structure, this is break of structure, or change of character. When you come to change of character, there will be like this. Another up movement, another up trend. We call this one change of character. So the character of the market have been changed. So this is a break of structure. This is also a break of structure. So when it comes to continue the trade, it will be a break of structure. This is the main thing you have to know. This is a break of structure. This is a change of character. So when we come to another, when it break another structure, when it disrespects the structure, we call it a change of character. We call it a change of character. You can take a screenshot so we can continue our learning. So as you can see, I just give you an understanding how the market works. So this is outlined indicator. If you want to know which indicator I'm using, you can use smart money concept logs algo. You can search in the indicator tab. Then after that, you can you can employ the in the indicator tab. You can search. I see no. So logs algo smart money concept. Yes, logs algo. There are many, but I use the smart money concept. Smart money concept. As you can see, it is right here. You can use this indicator on your chart. So as you can see, we have it just outlined change of character, break structure, everything. So the supply zone for this chart is, as you can see, we have break of structure. So at the top, we will have 1 month supply zone, 1 month supply zone. So this is also 1 month supply zone, supply zone, 1 month supply zone. So as you can see, I just outlined the supply zone. So let me give you another example on demand zones. We have change of character right here to the be very clear. So as you can see, we don't have a demand zone right here. It have to be with body. With body, the break structure have to be with body. So, sorry for my battery problem. So as you can see, we have a 1 month supply zone right here. 1 month, 1 month supply. So as you can see, we don't have a demand zone. I will show you in the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, we have a demand zone right here. 1 week demand zone. 1 week demand. As you can see, we have a week of structure around here. Break of structure, change of character, or break of structure. You can say it a change of character. Why? Because we have a liquidity grab around this area. Liquidity grab. So liquidity grab. So as you can see, we grab the liquidity. So after that, we break the structure with body. This is the main thing. We just break with body. So the market can react. So to participate in the trade, there are another conflicts we have to see. We need to see in the market, or we have to look in the market. So this is the demand and supply zone. Simply, you have to trade with patterns, only with patterns. You don't have to trade with 1 minute or scalping. Scalping is for the rest of the world that have that are making millions of money with scalping. So you don't have to work with like that. As you can see, we just outlined the weekly demand zone. As you can see, we don't have demand zone because the it just grab, grab, grab. After grab, we don't even break the structure. So we don't have break structure. As you can see, we have a break structure to the downside. To the downside, so we have a supply zone, one supply zone, 1 week, sorry, 1 week supply zone. So 1 week supply. We have 1 week supply. When the market came to this area, we have some other confirmation. So you can see that type of structures that we can anticipate in the market. So this is for today. For we can anticipate the market, or we can learn other things in other videos. Sorry for my English. I have very good knowledge in the market, but I can't explain it now. So this is the basics of the supply and demand. So in order to learn about these things, you can come with me and subscribe my channel. Thank you for listening.